into this. So, what I wanted to talk about today is somebody on TikTok said, just another guy selling a book. And yes, I am selling a book, but I'm also selling courses. I'm selling my time. Uh, but it the thing is, I've been doing this for years. So it's kind of like I've been putting free content out for years. My site um, has like something like 600 free videos where I'm putting people on how to get into cybersecurity, how to do cybersecurity compliance, how to secure their system, all things cybersecurity I've been talking about for free. And you can still get this. That stuff's all out there. So if you're interested in this, the best place to follow me if you don't can't if you want to get stuff for free, you want to try it out or whatever, or get information, is to go to YouTube. YouTube has hour long. Literally, I do these every week. I've been doing hourly long videos for years, teaching people. Just ask me questions, and I'll just go ahead and speak for an hour straight about a topic. So yeah, am I selling a book? Yes, on Amazon, I'm selling a risk management framework. This audience, most of the people in this audience will not be interested in that book. I'm selling to a very niche group of people who are interested in this. Is people who are in cybersecurity trying to make big money. Not everybody is willing to take the time to learn this trade and to get into this, and they want that quick money. But this is not quick money. This is long term money that's going to help you and your family for years. If you are interested in that, then you come to the right place, because I'm here to teach. And if you're here to learn, then let's